I got the G right here. Oh, it's the Supra. It's not a real car meet if there's no Supra. What is up, guys? DG Whip here, back again with a GoPro Hero 5, and I can tell you I love this camera already. It looks so much better. It actually focuses. We are pulling up to a car meet here in Vegas. I got my buddy Isaac with me. Just getting you some footage. I didn't have time. I literally just got this like 30 minutes ago. I didn't have time to set up my headband and everything, but this seems to stabilize images very well. It doesn't seem shaky just from me looking at it. So we're gonna go ahead and pull up here and see what's here. These are usually pretty big, so we'll see how the turnout is. Oh shit, I already got a GTR. This is a big ass turnout. Another GTR. Look at that. That's fucking nuts. What's good, bro? Dude, 2 GTRs when we pull up. That's fucking nuts. Dude, these are the meets I'm trying to go to. Damn. Damn, this shit's tight. Oh, this is the Ford we saw last time.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That's the one?
Yeah, you remember?
I don't.
The lady driven one?
Was it? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I remember that.
This shit goes hard.
Like the Subies, dude.
Oh, those are cheap. You can get it for like 30-40 bucks. The super, they're called super tones, I think.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, dude. Yeah. That shit's tight.
Kaiju.
Yeah. Look at that big ass exhaust. HKS. That's dope.
3 times the fucking displacement is my engine. You put a new one in there. It's a better place to be. Yeah.
This is the best thing we've been to. We just got here. We're supposed to cruise at 7. Yeah. Oh, look at the G. The G pulling up. Man, this shit goes hard.
Except the only thing is that I don't drive around in the fucking
Yeah, dude. Dude, the old school ass Porsche, that's dope. I like you want to get one of these. These are actually like pretty cheap, but they're still dope. I forget. Hey bro, what kind of Porsche is this again?
944.
Oh yeah, these are dope.
Damn, dude.
They're pretty affordable too, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep going up in price though recently.
Oh really?
Yeah, dude.
People are probably discovering them more. This is a pretty good turnout. The G35 over there, pretty clean. Dude, I like his bumper. I kind of want to think that's the bumper I want to get.
Yeah?
Yeah. Flares too.
That's sick, yeah.
Yeah. I have the head strap attachment, so I can literally just put it on my head when I'm driving.
Oh,
it's like
shit.
a POV.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Oh, this is clean. This is a bagged M5? This is an M5. This is crazy. I can't tell. I am not an expert on M5s, but I think this is an M5. It's at least a 5 Series. Dude, that color is crazy. That's crazy. There's a whole nother side too. Yeah.
I'll see who's over here.
Is this an S4? Oh, it's S3. Yeah. Basically the same shit. I think it's just a little. I think S3 is just a little smaller. Subies, plenty of Subies here. at this Evo 8 right here. This is clean. Look at this GTR, dude. This is nuts. And then you just got my G over there looking dumb compared to everyone else. I mean, mine looks clean, but all these builds are nuts. Workmeisters. Oh, these rims are dope. Another GTR over there. All by himself. Ooh, I like this one better. Is this the Nismo? It is the Nismo. Dude, that's crazy. Dude, that's a GTR Nismo, dude. Yeah. That's the, like, fucking... That's the top of the line one.
Yeah, I see one the other day, dude. Like, Paul's getting
Wait, dead ass?
Yeah, dude. It was like right outside of my community. We drove together home with McDonald's.
That's dope. Alright, so we're all about to roll out. We're on our way to Prim. There's a mall. It's kind of out in the middle of nowhere, so we're all gonna roll out there. Should be fun. Alright, we're all rolling out right now. This is a good ass turnout, dude. Holy shit.
Oh, your shit sounds sick, bro. What the hell?
Yeah.
Hella cool.
We just pulled up. This is my shit right here. I need to fix these headlights. These are atrocious. This is Isaac's Legacy GT. Shit sounds badass. This is a turnout. And we still got like half the squad coming right now.
Ain't even here yet.
For those of you who don't know, Prem, it's basically in the middle of the nowhere. It's right at the state line of Nevada and California. This would be the way you would take if you're coming from Vegas and you're trying to go to LA, and this is like on the way. It's not like halfway, it's probably like a fifth of the way there, because it's not even like halfway to Bakersfield. But yeah, this is really remote, as you can see. We're in nothing's really around, which is a great place for a car meet. Yo, awesome. This thing's LS swap, dude. It took him 6 years to do this. This is crazy. Looks really well done too. Look at the interior. This thing is perfect. Ugh. Appreciate it, man. We got kicked out, which is there was a security last time, but security here was like, you guys are illegally parking, which ruins all the fun. There's always that one asshole that just can't let people fucking be their own things. Goddamn America. But you know how motherfuckers are. So we about to go to the world's biggest Chevron. For those of you who don't know, I believe it's in Jean. It's a Chevron with like 100 gas pumps, maybe even more than that. And the Chevron is fucking humongous, bro. It's insane. I don't even know if we're gonna all be able to fit there, to be honest with you, but we're gonna roll out there and see how shit goes. Chevron, look at all the stalls. This is crazy. he lost him. I gotta park somewhere lame. There's fucking no room. Nice,
All the
nice.
rewiring I did myself, everything all back up to speed. Only thing I don't use is this boy right here. That's my cruise control. I don't need to use it.
You don't really need it.
No need to use it, man.
That's for like long trips.
Everything's all back to original.
So we're at the world's biggest Chevron right now. It's not as many cars. I think some people dipped and went home. Isaac, dude, bro, you know we drove by 2 motorcycle cops at Jack in the Box?
Oh, really?
Yeah, and they were like, there must be a car show going on. And I was like, oh shit, I think they're about to follow us. Maybe they did, I don't know. Got some regulars. Damn, Subi's up the ass. Subies. Can't go wrong, I guess. Tokyo Drift.
That's a fly, dude. I like this.
This is my G, of course. A clean ass Accord. This is really clean, actually. These are the newer models. I actually really like these. They have a big community for them too. This dude's wrap costs 80 bucks. He did it all himself. I thought it was a legit like wrap, but nah. I don't have great lighting right now because it's night, of course, but. I just did anti-lag right next to a cop, like an idiot. I don't think he gave a fuck though.